Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about the new lecture of endodontics. This subject you read in final year of dentistry. So without wasting time, let's start with the today's topic. But before that, you have to watch the related video that is of endodontics related to this topic. Already one lecture is out on my channel. So I will definitely put the link of that video in the I button as well as in the description of this video, which is shown on your screen. So don't forget to check out that. Now today also I am going to talk about the another important topic of endodontics, that is the progression of the pulpal pathologies. See, there is one simple funda, that is the degree of inflammation is proportional to the intensity and the severity of the tissue damage. Let's say for example there is the small irritant that can lead to the incipient caries in a tooth, fine, and that can cause a little or no exposure of the pulp, right? Then on the other hand, if you have the extensive operative procedure and you perform, and it can lead to the injury, which is further lead to the severe pulpal inflammation. So from all these two examples, we conclude that from the injury, it depends upon the condition of the pulp, host response, the severity and the duration of the irritant, the pulp itself, that how it will react towards the mild inflammation till the pulpal necrosis. So from this, we originate the another topic, that how pulp will react towards the microbes, fine. Very simple funda is there. Suppose we have the carious tooth, fine. So we have a carious enamel as well as the carious dentine. That means which contain numerous of the bacteria. Those bacteria goes deeper into the layers of the carious tooth or the carious part. After that, the pulp is affected before the actual entrance of the bacteria only by the byproducts which are produced by the bacteria, which is toxic in nature. That's why those byproducts which is produced by bacteria will infect the pulp, fine, as those byproducts can lead to the chronic cell infiltration. When there is the actual exposure of the pulp, that means the pulp tissue is now locally infiltrated by the PMNs, and that can lead to the area of necrosis, fine, at the site of the exposure. Then that necrosis can spread all over the pulp and the periapical area, and that can lead to the severe inflammation of the pulp. This is called the pulpal sequelae and its progression and its reaction towards the microbes in a tooth, fine. Related to these, there are two theories. One is the traditional theory, which will explain the pulpal progression and its sequelae. That is known as the strangulation theory, and that is no longer accepted. So we are not going to talk in detail about that theory. Now the second theory is the current theory, which is widely accepted and which tells you the pulpal inflammation and its sequelae. So in case of the current theory, when it is stated that increased tissue pressure in one particular area will not affect the entire area of the pulpal cavity. The local inflammation will lead to the increased tissue pressure in a particular area, not the entire area of the pulp, and that can also lead to the complete stasis of the blood vessels in and around the inflamed area. Therefore, the net absorption of the fluid will remain unchanged and uninflamed, which can lead to the increased lymphatic drainage. And because of the increased lymphatic drainage, it can lead to the maintenance of the pulpal volume as to maintain its volume constant. So that's all about the today's lecture of endodontics, that is the progression of the pulpal pathologies. Still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can DM me 24/7 on my Instagram ID, which is shown on your screen. I will definitely put the link of this Instagram ID in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that and follow me there. In return, I just want a small effort to share my videos and subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching.